Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a coding problem many developers encounter. The problem involves structuring data nodes in a way that embeds the data directly into the node, avoiding additional memory allocations and indirections. But, as always, there are a couple of challenges to address. Let's tackle these issues together. So, let's talk about the solution to the problem we discussed earlier. By ensuring that the data member in the node structure is maximally aligned and accessed only via a pointer to the type of the copied data, we can achieve well-defined behavior as per the C standard. Let's understand this concept with an example code snippet. We allocate memory for a node structure in some data objects, copy the data using MIMPI, and access it correctly through pointers. This approach ensures proper alignment and adherence to strict-aliasing rules. To sum it up, by aligning the data member properly and accessing it through matching type pointers, we can safely embed data in node structures without violating alignment or strict aliasing rules. Understanding these nuances is crucial for efficient and compliant coding practices. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!